Goeienaand dames en here en welkom by die ATKV Universiteite SER 2014. So vanaand is die groot aand. Na maande se kompetisie staan ons uiteindelik by nasionale SER.
Marco, ek weet nie van jou nie, maar ek is ongelooflik opgewonde vir vanaand. Die top 10 koshuise is agter die verhoog, die spanning is hoog en jy kan sien elk van hulle is honger vir daai groot titel.
Ja, so sonder om te veel weg te gee, kom ons verwelkom ons eerste koshuis op die verhoog vanaand en is natuurlik die Gasheer kampus se dames. Hy's Horison. Hoe was dit om Sarri te wen by UJ?
It felt like, because we've been working for it for almost 6 months now, so it was really interesting how everyone was supporting us and everyone, even people that we thought weren't for us, were with us, and it was just really amazing to get the results and the reward for working for this long. In the previous years we've been working for Seri, but we never really got to this stage, and this year we just put more effort into it, and so we really wanted it, and yeah, and I think that's why we won.
So ons volgende groep het nie nodig gehad om baie ver te reis nie en vanaand tree hulle op tuisgrond op. Sit julle hande bymekaar vir UJ se dromedaris.
What is going through your head now?
Oh my word, but I said it, like I knew it. So I'm just confused right now, but yeah, it's a great feeling actually, yeah.
Do you think this was your A game, or are you going to bring the real A game to the Nationals?
We're bringing the real A game at Nationals because we're hosting.
Hey, Chopper Pilot. Listen here, boy kid. Welcome to the Drone Gentleman's Club. I'll teach you how to be a man in 3 easy steps. Step number 1, dress up. Give the man his voice. You're the boss. You're the boss. You're the boss. You're the boss. Second rule is you have to be multilingual. You never know, my boy. You might have to go to Potch, you know, Impalas. That's it, Chopsy. You might have to go to Potch, you know, Impalas. There you'll meet a date. Look her right in the eye, my boy. Tell her, Hokie, I are going to be with you. Exinho in this car, Exinho in this car, Exinho singing fly over. Exinho Cassalier, may I vertel met desensgade. Oh, ek speel op my gitaar, ek vind sy vas al klaar. Oh, wil ek voor nie klaar, maar kan ek jou nie klaar, ek kan nie wag om jou te vraag nie. Kom bikin, wat mes tu amban nawe. Kom bikin, wat mes tu amban nawe. when you get this girl that you want, you must set the right mood, eh? Listen, you need romance. Okay, listen, you need some passion. Listen, Choppy, you need ambiance. Listen to me, you need, important, you need build-up.
Hey, Chopper. Hey. I see you smiling. Chat to my love.
Now I can say that I live up to the standards of these gentlemen.
Ah, that's very good. That's very good. But look at all these people, Chopper. They came to see you and they paid good money too. Look at that moving camera. But listen, you gotta focus now. Okay? We've been practicing and we didn't lose our legs for you to mess it up now.
Wait, but you still have your legs.
Exactly, Chopper. That's what I said. Come on now. I said, I did not lose my legs. Come on.
When I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. Oh, let it be. And in my hour of darkness, she is standing right in front of me, speaking wisdom, let it be. Oh, let it You shout it out, I can't hear a word you say. You're talking loud, not saying much, not saying much. Criticize, oh, you're full of weakness. You shoot me down, but I get up, but I get up. Because I'm bulletproof, nothing to lose, far away. Way over. Take you away, far away. Shoot me down, but I won't go, 'cause I am Titanic. Shoot me down, but I won't go, 'cause I am Titanic. Way over. Money on my mind, money on my mind. I've been drinking. I am filthy when I look at you. Yeah, I've been drinking. Hey, can't keep my eyes on that baby. I want you. Hey, you can't keep my hands on that baby. I want you. Turn up. Cause mama said you're a pretty girl. What's in your head? It doesn't matter. Brush your head. We'll fix it to eat. What you wear, that's all that matters. It's just another stage. Pageant the pain away. This time I'm gonna take the crown without falling down, down, down. You shine the light on whatever's worse. Perfection is a destination. It's a soul and it's a surgery. It's a soul. Show me. You remind me of something. I don't know what it is right now. You remind me of something. You show me up, down. Wonder if you like it just my time. Now, these girls ain't loyal.
So, the men in red turning up the heat in here. With a bit of beatboxing thrown into. So that's how we do it. That's how we do it. We keep it like that. We'll keep it like that. Let me introduce you to a few more judges. Tata Burhali is an acoustic funk soul singer, songwriter. Where is she? She's hiding. There we go. Why don't you stand up so we can see? There we go, there we go. All right. So she was a member of the Lebone Ladies Residence Serie, UJ, from 2007 to 2010. And under her leadership as head of culture for the residents, and coached by Marius van Staden, the Lebone Ladies won the Artikafia Universiteit de Serre competition in 2008. The Lebone Ladies won the national competition again in 2009 and came second in 2010. When she's not writing songs or entering competitions, Tatu spends her weekdays as a corporate financier at a reputable local firm, but is aiming to make a career in the entertainment industry. Give it up for Tatu. Nikki van der Walt. Hy het 'n paar fans ook hierso. Sy is 'n a cappella spesialis, stigter en afrigter van die a cappella groep Flip a Coin. Hy was ook 'n draakie. Daar's baie draakies hierso. En na jare in Engeland word hy 'n student by die Pik en sluit aan by die Pik koor tussen 2002 en 2004. In 2012 voltooi Nikki 'n gevorderde sertifikaat in koorleiding aan die Pik en slaag die kursus met lof. As huiskomitee lid van Veritas op die Pik, rig hy die Koshuis Serre af in 2004, 2005 en 6 en word as nasionale naaswenners in 2005 en algehele wenners in 2006 aangewys met die bekende Skotse Serre groep. Hy is tans direkteur van musiek by die Nasionale Koor Akademie en hoofdirigent by die Noordwes Jeugkoor. Gee 'n groot handeklap vir Nikki van der Walt.
Met hulle local karwag tema al die pad van Pretoria. Dis niemand anders as die dames van Kerlitsia.
En die wenners wat hierdie jaar nationals te gaan om vir tikkies voor te stel is Kerlitsia!
Julle het sopas gewen, hoe voel julle?
Ek dink dit is 'n gevoel beter in die hele wêreld nie. So ek wil hy honger. Ek wil hy.
Gaan julle beslis die jaar die groot beker huis toe bring?
Ek gaan nie vir Jokkie, ons bes te doen. Met alles in ons probeer om dit te doen.
Hoe trots is jy op jou meisie vanaand?
Ek kan nie. Ek moet begin huil om dit te beskryf.
Hoorie baie geluk. Ons sien julle later die maand by die Nationals. Geluk julle. Woehoe!
All right. Their repertoire is as follows. Will You Be There, arranged by Zander Fick with songs Will You Be There, Michael Jackson, Below My Feet, Mumford & Sons, Skyscraper, Demi Lovato. Then 2, Rhythm is a Dancer, arranged by Andre van der Walt, Scatman's World, Rhythm is a Dancer, My Life Be Like, What Is Love. 3, Uninvited Love, arranged by Andre van der Walt, Uninvited, So Cold, Give Me Love. 4, Eie Compositie, arranged by Andre van der Walt, lyrics by P.G. Badenhorst en Andre van der Walt. Die Afrikaanse Car Guard is 5, verwerk deur Wouter Labuschagne en G.C. Schoeman with Superman. 54 5de Straat, Eden, Sê my is jy bang, dit was die ekkie, of course by Alan Abrams, the Cape Town Car Guard. 6, Sail on the Chandelier, Sail AWOL Nation, You've Got Something I Need, One Republic, Tadalwetu, Barita, and Chandelier Sia. Enjoy.
skyscraper, skyscraper. Go on and try, go on and try. I will be rising like the sky, like the sky, like the skyscraper. Sting dong dong ding dong dong ding 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 dong 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 ding 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 ding. Scatman's World. Bubble bell, bubbly 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 bubble bell. Calling out from Scatland, I'm calling out from Scatman. If you want to be free, you better listen to me. You gotta learn how to see through your fantasy. Hello? Barking. Yeah. Come. Come. You bonus. Sweet. 1, 2, 3, go. Freedom is a dance, so it's your soul companion. You can feel it everywhere. Lift your hands and voices, free your mind and join us. You can feel it in the air. Oh, it's a passion. Oh, you can feel it, yeah. Oh, it's a passion. Oh, rhythm is a dance, so it's your soul companion. You can feel it in the air. Let's break it down now. My life feel like my life feel like what is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more. What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. What is love? Don't hurt me. Don't hurt me. Don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more. heart to bleed.
stel jou gewete gerus. Die afdraai woorde die wat lank al gesteel. So my niemands land word met min gedeel. Hierdie Barbak sien verder as wat jy kan kyk. Dis 'n fyn dit lei, dis 'n ademingry. Voor hierdie spaar al genoeg karre opgehou om te weet ek laat die verhaal. Voor hierdie spaar my voortgebou met neongroen en niemands land. Wag ek nog vir jou.
My naam is Martina. Ek sal mooi vir jou karretjie kyk. Jy moet nie ware nie.
Kan ek jou Superman, Batman, Iron Man, Spider-Man wees? Ek sal die wêreld vir jou aanvaar, vir jou 'n hero wees. Kan ek jou hero wees wat jou is? En elke aand wat jy gaan slaap, is ek die een wat voor jou wag. Al slaan die donker weer, wêreldwinde teen jou deur, sal die held die binne my, soos 'n reus vir jou beklei. 54 straat het ek vir jou gestaan, hierdie Hoogiestraat waar ek staan. By Amerika. Ja, 54 straat het ek so gewens om aan jou te raak, maar hy daar. Sê is reeds te laat. Sê my, is jy bang? Na, dat ek jou gaan vang. Na, wil jy kom, wil jy gaan, wil jy sit of wil jy staan, is jy bang? Die laat die kom uit en is die groot kratje, is blind 'n nuwe vraag. Hy begin te skel en skree, maar hy jong maak hy nou nog. Ek sal nog stom, ek weet nie wat om hulle kyk sê nie. Al wat ek my mond met kom is, laat die daai was die teken. Ek jou Superman, Batman, Iron Man, Spider-Man wees. Ek sal die wêreld vir jou aanvat. Just a small scratch, but I washed it for free. Vir jou 'n hero wees.
So standing ovations all around. Yeah, it's getting hot in here, isn't it? Alrighty, let me introduce you to a few more judges. Songwriter, lyricist at Sony ATV. He was a Choir Olympic silver medalist with the University of Pretoria Youth Choir, lead singer for the folk hop trio Rubber Duck, whose single Ain't Nobody Got Time for That recently peaked at number 2 on the 5FM Top 40. Please welcome Nick Jordan. Joshua Nadireen se eerste album is 'n jaar terug op 17 Augustus vrygestel. Hy was benoem vir 3 Guma toekennings as beste manlike kunstenaar, beste nuweling en beste kontemporêre album manlik. En het weggestap met 2 van daai 3 toekennings, sowel as die Huisgenoot Tempo toekenning vir nuweling van die jaar. Hy het al die snitte op sy album self geskryf en hy speel ook self klavier, gitaar en hy's ook 'n jazz aficionado. En hy het uiteindelik 'n graad gekry in jazz. En hy sê ja, ons sal dalk eendag sien ons 'n jazz album van hom. Dames en here, Joshua Nadireen. Baie welkom.
Nou die laaste keer wat hierdie manne opgetree het, moes hulle omtrent 4 doodgeslaan het.
En vanaand probeer hulle dieselfde doen. Dis niemand anders nie, al die pad van Koffsies af. Dis die manne van Veritas.
And the male residents that will be representing the UFS at the Nationals, Veritas.
Ouens, 3 jaar in 'n ry. Hoe voel julle? Ongelooflik. Dit is fisies amazing. Dit is bewe van opgewondenheid en dit is ongelooflik. Ja?
Nee, is half onwerklik. Ek kan nie glo dit nou net gebeur nie. Dis
trane in die oë.
Natuurlik, flip and hell is amazing. Dis amazing.
Okay, so julle twee so 'n bietjie van hulle gesien. Men dressed up in uniform. I don't know what it is. So repertoire is number 1 Fire Medley verwerk deur Kobus Badenhorst. Things We Lost in the Fire, Bastille. Set Fire to the Rain at Dull, Try, Pink. Bonfire Heart, James Blunt. 2 African Vibes Medley. This is a proudly South African. Verwerk deur Kobus Badenhorst. Sal oorlog maak vir jou maak deur Adam. Take Yours, I'll Take Mine, Matthew Mole. Jika Mikasa. 3 Brandweer Hart eie komposisie, 4 Reflections medley, Mirrors by Justin Timberlake, To Be With You Mr. Big, Let Her Go Passenger, Let It Go from the movie Frozen, and then 5 a Queen medley, Don't Stop Me Now, Radio Gaga, Who Wants to Live Forever, and ending that set off with Barcelona. Let's see what they have in store.
Just someone that starts the spark in our bonfire heart. Do you understand that we will never be the same again? Do you understand that we will never be the same again? The future's in our hands and we will never be the same again. The future's in our hands and we will never be the same again. Da, 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 da. beter as enige met woorde of sonder sal ek vir jou betrui. Ek sal weg nooit laat gaan nie, want ek is in staat. Ek bly jou liefde soldaat. Ek sal oorlog vir jou maak. Set things right, then I'll find mine on the right of your side, your side. Chica, my baby, chica, chica, lesa. 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 Ek sal oorlog vir jou maak. Ek sal oorlog vir jou maak. Ek sal weg vir jou. Chica, my baby, chica, chica, lesa. Ek sal weg vir jou. Daar is iets wat brand hier in my hart, soos 'n vuur op hout, en ek kan droom hou, en ek was maar nog altyd alleen, alleen op soek na die regte een, maar dis jy, my lam, soos 'n vuur, se vlam binne my werk en ek in my gang, sommige sê, dis die kant van die hand van huis nou hier, en is dan meer bang, luister mooi, ek gaan jou nog aan jou kant, daar is iets wat brand hier in my hart, soos 'n vuur op hout, en ek kan droom hou, en ek was maar nog altyd alleen, alleen op soek na die regte een. Maar dis jy, my lam, soos 'n vuur, se vlam binne my lyf. Wat het ek, wat jy nie het nie veel nie in 'n wonder was in sê wel is nou of nooit. Ek hoop jy sien my, jy sien 'n brandweerman op sy knie. Daar is iets wat brand hier in my hart, soos 'n vuur op hout, en ek kan droom hou. Daar is iets aan jou wat my wakker hou, soos 'n koperlamp wat nooit ophou brand. Binne my, is dit jy? Something to admire, 'cause you shine something like a mirror, and I can't help but notice you're a 'cause I figured it out all along. Hold on, little girl, show me what he's done to you. Stand up, little girl, broken heart can't be that bad. So come, baby, come over, let me be the one. I'm the one who wants to be with you, be with you. Deep inside, I hope you feel it too. You only need a light when it's burning low. You only miss the sun when it starts to snow. Let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go, hold anymore. Let it go, let it go, when it's at the door. Here I stand, and here I stay. Only know you love her when you let her go. Let her go. Let it go. Let it go. You only need the light when it's burning low. Let it go. Let it go. You only know you love her when you let her go. Let it go. I'm the one who wants to be with you. Let it go. Deep inside, I hope you feel it too. Let it go. Tonight I'm gonna have myself a real good time. I feel alive, and the world turning inside out, yeah, and flowing around in ecstasy. So don't stop me now. Don't stop me having a good time, having a good time. I'm a shooting star leaping through the sky, like a diamond, fighting the laws of gravity. I'm a chasing ball, passing by, a lady Godiva. I'm gonna go, go, go. There's no stopping me. I'm turning through the sky, yeah. 200 degrees, that's why they call me Mr. Fahrenheit. I'm traveling at the speed of light to make a supersonic woman of you. You had your time, you had your power, you've yet to have your finest hour. Radio, radio, all we hear is Radio Gaga, Radio Cuckoo, Radio Gaga. All we hear is Radio Gaga, Radio Cuckoo, Radio Gaga. All we hear is Radio Gaga, Radio Cuckoo, Radio blah blah. Radio what's new? Radio someone still loves you. Who wants to live forever? Who wants to live forever? Who
right, that's a pause that only men in uniform can get, is it? Hot or not? Hot or not? Stuur vir ons 'n tweet asseblief. #certainly Josie. Send us a tweet. #certainly Josie. Tell us what you think. Tell us what you think. And all those at home, not here, let them see what they're missing. So the last of our judges, let me introduce you to her. Show us your face, Bianca. So Bianca Lagrange is an accomplished musician who completed her schooling at the National School of the Arts, where she studied both classical and contemporary music. And since she first appeared on our TV screens 12 years ago, she's been an unstoppable force of talent and energy, appearing in many stage as well as TV shows. And never want to rest on her laurels, she now runs her own business, has her own entertainment company, appears frequently in popular musical theatre, guest presents on television, and actively supports young talent with her social responsibility projects. Recently, Bianca played the lead as Mrs. Johnston to great acclaim in David Kramer's adaptation of the musical Blood Brothers. She was nominated for a Fleur de Car for Best Actress in a Musical and won a Naledi Award for Best Performance in a Musical. Her latest album, Net Jy, Just You, was nominated for a Gumu Award for Best Contemporary Album. Put your hands together for Miss Bianca Lagrange. So we'll soon have a 40-minute break. That'll be after our next performance, and we'd like to invite our VIP guests to the Muddy Bang building. And when you go out through the doors in the top there, there'll be a lady in a red jacket to receive you, and she'll then escort you over to the Muddy Bang building.
Dis die eerste keer weer in omtrent 10 jaar wat hierdie volgende dames weer deurdring na die groot nasionale ser. Met hulle tema as cheater detectives, al die pad van Potch, dis die dames van Minionet.
Die dames van Minionet.
Julle het sopas die Pik Finals gewen. Hoe voel jy?
Ek het nie voor nie, soos ek kan letterlik nie myself nou beheer nie. Ek weet nie keer, soos ek weet wat ek nou gaan doen nie, maar dit gaan verskriklik wees van oh my word, dit is amazing. Dit is
So we do apologize for that, for the sound issues that we're experiencing. We will sort that out during the break, so you will have sound when we come back from that break. But Minionet, and she's so eager to get out here. So their repertoire is as follows. First off, Shh, verwerkt deur Mimi Richter and Nandi Swanepoel. 2, Ain't No Rumor medley, arranged by Andre van der Walt. 3, Wolf Vang vir Jakkels. Eie komposisie verwerk en geskryf deur Sean Harmse en Snyman van der Berg. 4, Memory Lane medley, arranged by Stephanie Leroux, Tammy Erich Aslett en Ser Groep. 5, Stilte voor die Storm, arranged by Mimi Richter, and ending that off in 6, We Salute, arranged by Snyman van der Berg.
cheaters. Won't do no good if you run from me. There ain't no cheating scheme in my heart, don't see. You like to run up, that's me, baby. I know what is coming next. You can't hide from me. There ain't no tricks that you can try on me. I know you every move before you even breathe, baby. Think my eyes, she ain't got your love anymore. Thought you'd take a swing, find another girl, try another night. 'Cause it's the pain that brings my force of nature back to life. I'm a tornado, and looking for a man to break. I'm gonna lift this house, spin it all around, toss it in the air and put it in the ground. Make sure you never shout. She ain't real. She'll be able to love you like I will. Sure, she's got it all. But baby, is that really what you want? Are you okay, Annie? Annie, are you okay? Would you tell us that you're okay? The sign in the window, it'll shock you. I wish you know, Annie, Annie, are you okay? Annie, are you okay? You've been hit by, you've been struck by. Bless your soul, you got your head in the clouds. She made a fool out of you, and boy, she's bringing you down. She made your heart melt, but you're cold to the core. Now rumor has it she ain't got your love anymore. dun 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 dun. Hickory oak. Pine and beech. Bury my heart underneath these trees. And when a southern wind ease my soul, spread my spirit like a flock of crows. I've loved you too long. I've loved you too long. I've loved you too long. But I'll never leave. Oh, king of the raging fire, come light my eyes. Summer's kiss to electric wire. But I'll never running, 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 running from my heart. Oh, oh, when they crumble, we will stand tall and we will face it all. You you couldn't be more wrong. It's who we are, we don't need no camouflage. She's a female battle cry, can't stop the hurricane ladies. It's time to away. Attention! Ladies all across the world, listen up, we're looking for recruits. If you with me, let me see your hands, stand up and salute. Get your killer heels, sneakers, pumps, all lace up your boots. Representing all the women, salute, salute.
And that's how we bring this half to a close, folks. I'd like you to allow our VIPs and judges to leave first, if you don't mind. Otherwise, it's going to be congested up there. If you wouldn't mind, our judges and VIPs. VIPs, someone is going to wave a piece of paper. There she is over there. If you have a look, she's in the aisle waving the white piece of paper. And please follow her to the Muddy Bang building.